Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, All for You 91. Friends, in the previous part, we saw that in a capitalist economy, workers often feel alienation, especially from their work. The main reason for this is the division of labor, where workers are appointed to perform a specific task and have no participation in the entire production process. In earlier times, artisans used to create the entire product from start to finish. They had the opportunity to use their craftsmanship and creativity, which gave them satisfaction and pride in their work. Nowadays, work in factories is highly divided. Workers repeatedly perform the same task, which is mechanical and repetitive. Their creativity and skills are not utilized, leading to dissatisfaction and insecurity. Workers have to work 9 hours every day, perform the same work for long periods, causing boredom and dissatisfaction. Do not own the products they create and are deprived of its benefits. Always face work pressure and have to work in a competitive environment. Because of this, they cannot give time to themselves or their families and gradually feel disconnected from themselves. Due to this, workers feel isolated and dissatisfied with their work. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel All for You 91 and don't forget to like and comment. Your feedback fuels my motivation to create more content.